Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.